Hey guys, it's Sakina from MyBrownSparkles.com. Thank you for tuning in. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I am your eco-friendly, sustainable living hostess with the mostest, and I am coming to you today with a new video. This is going to be an unboxing just in time for the holiday season. Yay! Okay, so let's get started. I have a little gift from OSEA. Oh, here we go. OSEA. OSEA is one of my favorite skincare and body care lines. It is a cruelty-free, eco-friendly, what else is it? Clean beauty brand that I love, and I've been using them for a few years. If you've never heard of them, this is the perfect time for you to get to know them and what they're all about, and check out the products that they sent me for today's little video. So just to give you a little background, OSEA is a company that's run by women, a family of women who have embraced the ocean as just a core part of their life. They are a non-toxic skincare and body care company. They embrace the ocean, the sun, earth, and the atmosphere. And they make products that are plant-based, contain vegan ingredients, and they are also cruelty-free. And I'm so happy that they sent me these little goodies, and I'm happy to check them out and kind of give you guys a little rundown of what I have here. The box. Let's get it open. It says, so you can check them out on Instagram by following them at OSEA Malibu on Instagram. And then it says, seaweed looks so good on you. I don't know about y'all, but anytime anyone mentions any kind of skincare regimen or anything involving mud or dirt or anything natural, I really am very, very intrigued by it. I don't really like a lot of chemicals. I don't use a lot of harmful chemicals on my skin. I use a lot of natural products, and I use as little ingredient products as possible. For instance, right now I'm wearing grapeseed oil. When you open the package, it comes with this little card, and look, yay, more goodies. So this has a sample of the blemish balm. I've never used that. The ocean cleansing mud that I was talking about, I use that. I like it. And then there's a hyaluronic sea serum. And this kind of looks like it must be some kind of eco-friendly packaging. It definitely does. It looks very plush and very like fragile and like very flaky, but it's very fun. I want to reuse this. Alright, so this is what they sent me. Two big old goodies here. Alright, ooh. So I have the Salt of the Earth Body Scrub. This is a plastic container, it's not glass. It's an anti-aging exfoliant for glowing skin made with Himalayan pink salt, Bolivian rose, and Dead Sea salts. It polished dull, dry skin to perfection. I'm actually going to use this now, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like because my legs could use some love. Okay, so it has a safety seal here. It's not like I thought. Oh my god, this is even better. Oh, it smells good. It smells like tea tree oil. Ooh, this is weird. Very, 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 very oily consistency. A lot of oils, but there's also a lot of salt. Smells amazing. I'm going to give this a try and show you guys what that looks like up close in a second. A little is going to go a long way with this product, which is what I like. A little goes a long way. It's going to last you a long time, and it's definitely going to be worth it. I'll link this item below if you'd like to purchase, so you can do that. Alright, so the next one is the Anti-Aging Body Balm. So this is a Nourish and Firm with this age-defying organic algae body balm. It has a pump here so you can pump it out. This ultra silky body balm hydrates and visibly firms dry skin with organic seaweed, raw virgin coconut oil, and antioxidant-rich botanical oils for a youthful, radiant glow. I'm actually going to try this now just to kind of show you. Oh, it's thin. I wonder if you have to shake it. It's very, 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 very thin, which is great because that means that it's not gonna clog my pores. Oh, this smells so good. Oh, it smells so citrusy. This is great. Look at that. I can't put it on my skin right now because I still have salt on my hands, so I have salt and oil now. Oh, it smells like grapefruit. What is it called? Anti-aging body balm. It smells like grapefruit, y'all. Yeah, it's a lot of citrus, a lot of lemon, basil, passion fruit. Oh man, this is great. This is exactly what you want to put on your skin after you take a shower and after you exfoliate. I'm super, like, y'all don't know. It's hard to find really good body products that you love that aren't like overly laden with chemicals. Like, this smells amazing and I'm excited to take a shower tonight. Unfortunately, I can't take a bath because I don't have a bathtub. I only have a standing shower, but we're gonna work on that. We're gonna get a new place that has the bathtub that I've been dreaming of. Okay, I need to stop doing this. I'm gonna go and we're gonna try these products out. My review of the Salt of the Earth Body Scrub from OSEA. This is an amazing product. I love it because I've used a lot of body scrubs and I even make my own, but I make my own body scrubs. And one thing I like about body scrubs is when they use a lot of natural oils and not like fillers or whatever emulsifiers they typically use in non-clean beauty products. This is extremely oily, which is what I like because it is that oil that locks in the moisture. And the essential oils just have an added aromatic, it's an aromatic addition to the product in itself. So whenever you're showering or you're bathing, it just makes the entire bathroom smell amazing. So you have this at-home spa experience, which is what I personally love. I love turning my bathroom into a spa, all like candles, and this is just going to take off all of the dead skin. And I have some rough patches on my arms and legs now because of the rashes I was getting from using shea butter. And let me tell you guys, shea butter is a natural product too, and it's so thick it was clogging up my pores, so my sweat glands, everything was clogged, and I wasn't able to sweat, the oil wasn't able to get out, and I started breaking out in rashes. And so I've kind of switched to more lighter oils like coconut oil, grapeseed oil, and this does have some shea butter, but it's not a large amount. This also has sea clay, rice bran, lavender oil, sunflower oil, rosemary, and the Himalayan pink salt. It's just enough salt to really give you a good scrub. I recommend not getting your skin too wet because you don't want that salt to dissolve too quickly. But go ahead and buff your skin enough so that you get off the dead skin and then rinse it off. I love that there's oils in this because when you rinse it off, your skin's not going to be dry afterwards. Your skin's going to be very moisturized. And then to finish it off with the anti-aging body balm, like this right here, this product is on a whole nother level for me. Like, I have not tried a balm like this. Typically balms I use them on my hands to keep my cuticles nice and intact in the wintertime when your cuticles tend to crack and you have hangnails and all that. This product though, it goes on silky smooth like milk, and it's so smooth, you guys. Like, when I was rubbing it into my skin, it is so it's like butter. And to put that on after scrubbing your skin, getting all that nasty, dirty, old, dry skin, and then put this on in the wintertime, like this is the combination that you need for your winter's time skin. I should change the entire title of this video to Winter Skin Savers, because this right here will get you right. And my skin is so smooth. I would recommend not putting 2 pumps on your lid like I did. I would keep it down to 1 pump, because a little does go a long way. And if you use the body scrub prior to using the balm, you're already going to have a lot of oils on your skin anyway, so this just kind of is an extra layer of goodness. And when you go to cuddle up with your honey and y'all rubbing legs, he's going to be like, damn, like your skin feels like silk. Oh, I'm just, ooh, I love the smell of grapefruit. I love grapefruit, and that's what that smells like. I'm gonna link all of these products. Both of those products are linked below. This is the anti-aging body balm. This one is $48, and it's a full size, 6 fluid ounces. This is a big glass container, and it's gonna last you a long time. You can keep it in the shower, keep it somewhere where you can use it and you don't forget. Let's see. The Earth Scrub is $42, and it is 12 ounces of this. This product right here won the Women's Healthy Skin Awards this year. It gets My Brown Sparkles stamp of approval, yes. And then the body balm, like we need to get this on someone's skincare list for 2020, because this is the ish. But I'm linking these products below. I'm linking those products below. I really like those. I mean, we're heading into winter. It's already getting cold. It's been cold here in Texas, and my skin is already feeling the effects. I can definitely feel a definite difference between my newly exfoliated leg and my dry, ashy leg that needs some love that I'm gonna go take care of here. I'll be taking care of that here in a second now that I have this. But thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. I love OSEA. Been working with them for years. They've always shown me love, and I continue to show them love because I love their products. And I just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope that y'all have an amazing day. I hope that y'all go and get these products and get your skin together and get your life right, because you can't be looking all cracked and ashy during winter. It is not cute. I don't care if you're layered up. When the clothes come off, you still want to be buttery smooth. But that's it, guys. That's all I have for you with this video. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're new. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with another video soon. And happy Thanksgiving. Mwah.